Hi viewers. Now we are always looking for some kind of new biryani. Now let it be a cooker one or in a dum style cooked one. So today I am back with double masala chicken biryani recipe. This is a very famous Hyderabadi recipe. Usually people order it as giving it as suggestions or specially order it at restaurants because of its amazing masala in between and that combination and that marinade of chicken. So, this marinade of chicken is the main basis for the complete recipe. So, do this recipe with the tips and tricks and exact measurements I give you and enjoy it very nicely. Now, this is a gift I give you from my end. So, do try it and tell me how it has been there in the comment section. So, why wait? Firstly, I have in the same pan, I have cooked about 1/4 cup of fried onion, 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera, 1 bay leaf, 2 inches of cinnamon, 10 cloves, 3 cardamom, half tablespoon of salt. No, it's about 1 again, and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 cup of coriander and mint, 3/4 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half cup of curd and 1/4 cup of fresh cream, and 1 lemon. Now we'll mix this well. Now if you miss any of the either lemon or curd, you will not be able to eat this. Now 250 grams of biryani cut chicken. If not, you can use even curry cut, but please don't use boneless, it's not recommended for this recipe. Now, if you miss either cream or curd, as I told you earlier, you'll not be able to eat this because of these high masalas, it'll be really difficult. So, these soothes the taste. If not, you can try other biryani recipes of mine and refrigerate this for overnight or at least 4 hours. Now, we'll just wipe it because we are going to make the biryani in the same pot, or else this will burn. Now 3 liters of water, 10 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon, half tablespoon of cumin and 1 javitri. Now 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 4 tablespoon of salt, 2 cup of soaked basmati rice for 1 hour. Now we'll add it some of this water while boiling and to the prepared masala. This will help it because it's already thickened. Now we'll add 60% of cooked rice as layer 1. After a minute or so, 70% cooked rice as layer 2. You'll get to know because if it is just left for 2 to 3 minutes, if it's complete cooked at that stage, you have to remove it. And then 80% as the remaining, and fried onion, dum it with damp tissues. 10 minutes on high or medium flame and 5 minutes on low flame, and give it a rest of 15 minutes until the steam has been pouring out continuously.